Hello, and thank you again for joining us for this NCBI Minute. Today we will explore the Save Search feature, which can provide automatic email updates on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, and conclude with creating a customized name collection from our search results that can be made public to share with others. Let's get started with saving and managing a search. The easiest way to begin is at the PubMed homepage located at www.pubmed.gov. If you're not already signed into NCBI, don't worry, you'll be prompted later. For my example, I am automating my PubMed search for adolescent COPD. Step 1 is to enter my query or search terms. If you're interested in the tutorial on how to construct a query, information will be provided at the end of this presentation. But in general, the PubMed process is from left to right, and dates and ranges are not recommended for saved searches. Step 2, click the search button. Next, create alert, which is located beneath the search bar. A pop-up window will appear. Again, if you're not logged into your NCBI account, you will be prompted to sign in. Now it's time to save the search name. The default is the search. A couple of things to remember. The saved search name may be up to 100 characters long, and this will become the search line of your email. Queries can become quite cumbersome, so I updated it. Next is the original search query from PubMed. You're also able to modify your search terms from here. If you edit your search terms, always remember to click Test Search Terms. This will provide the number of items based on the edited search. Although I did not modify my search, it shows that there are 3,131 results found at the time of this screenshot. Do you want your new search results sent automatically to your email? I do. So, Yes Please is selected. We will discuss a little later what happens if you say no thanks. Next, visually confirm your email address. Remembering that automatic email updates can only be sent to email addresses that have been confirmed. If an email bounces back 3 times, the email address will be changed to unconfirmed. Also, you may consider adding nih.gov to your email safe list. If you do not know how to do this, please contact your email provider's customer support for assistance. To verify that your email is confirmed, click on your username or change. As you can see, the email address has been confirmed. Otherwise, a link would appear allowing you to resend the confirmation email. Okay, now let's return to saved searches and schedule the frequency of the email. For monthly, choices include the first Sunday through Saturday, the first day of the month, the first weekday of the month, weekly, and finally daily. Next, we will select the format. The choices are summary, abstract, and Medline. Let's take a quick look at an actual email. The examples shown are from Outlook 2016. All emails consist of the name of the saved search, and in this one, I re-edited the name. Sender's message is optional text that can be included in each email, the date sent, the PubMed search terms, the ability to view the complete results in PubMed, the ability to edit the search settings, and of course, unsubscribed. And finally, the PubMed email results in summary format. Here's an example of the same result and how it appears in the abstract format and in the Medline format. Back to our customized saved search. Select the maximum number of items to appear in the email. In order to verify that the email alert is running properly, send even when there aren't any new search results. In the event an update is not sent out as scheduled or incomplete, the next scheduled update will include the missing items. Here is where you can include any optional text that you wish to be added to your email, and click Save. You will be immediately taken back to the PubMed search page. and we'll see the confirmation here. You will also be able to edit the search at any time as needed. Earlier, I pointed out that you could click No Thanks to the email search results. Let's take a quick look at My NCBI, where the saved search is stored. Since we are logged into NCBI, click the My NCBI link located next to your username. As you can see in the Save Search portlet, there are two PubMed searches, the one we just created, adolescent COPD, and another, lung cancer. For lung cancer, I selected no thanks. I do not want email updates. The What's New column shows that there are 220 citations currently available since I last looked at my results 3 days ago. What's New is available for all searches. For example, if adolescent COPD is delivered on a weekly basis, I can still log into NCBI to see if there were any added citations since my last email run and view the citations by clicking on the numbered link. The Save Search portlet also has the ability to manage saved searches. From here, you can quickly look at your scheduled email delivery and edit by clicking either the gear or scheduled link. If you check the box next to your search name, you are able to delete the selected item or items and also see what's new. Now, let's talk about building a collection by going back to the My NCBI homepage. My NCBI comes with the default collections of My Bibliography, Other Citations, and Favorites. Today, we will be creating a customizable titled collection to share with others. For your convenience, we have great tutorials on our default collections that will be included at the end of this presentation. Although we are starting from saved searches, you may also conduct a search directly in PubMed. Remember, if you click on lung cancer beneath the PubMed search column, it will rerun the search and display the results in PubMed. Likewise, if I click the link under What's New, I will have access to only the 220 new citations based on my search. From here, we are taken to PubMed, which consists of my new saved search results. Select a few of the citations for the collection and click Send To. If all the citations are to be included, simply click Send To, and up to 1,000 citations will be added to the collection. Select the collection's destination, verify the number of selected items, and click Add to Collections. A pop-up window will automatically show Append to an existing collection. This is where the predefined collection favorites and personally titled collections will reside. Today we are creating a new collection, so we will enter the name of the collection and click Save. We are returned to the PubMed page where we will receive confirmation of the saved items and the opportunity to edit the collection Lung Cancer in My NCBI. Remember, you are always able to return to the My NCBI homepage by clicking on the My NCBI link located next to your username. Lung cancer now appears in the collection. Today, we will click Edit to make the collection public and to generate the URL to share. In the gold box, click Make it Public, and a confirmation of the update will appear in the gold box along with the generated URL for this collection. URL retrieval is located in Edit Settings, found in the gold toolbar. By clicking on the gear next to the collection from the My NCBI homepage or the link Private Public also located in the My NCBI homepage. From the Edit page, you can modify the name of the collection, make the collection private or public, retrieve the URL for the public collection, and gather the HTML code. If the collection is public and changed back to private, the URL will no longer work, and the URL may change if made public once again. You may also wish to save this collection. In the display setting located in the blue toolbar, click the down arrow to sort the collection by date author, or title. Additionally, items may be selected by checking the citation next to the box, clicking Delete, and clicking OK. Selected citations may personally be viewed in the PubMed browser by clicking View. Finally, manage all collections from here or from the My NCBI homepage by clicking Manage Collections. Merge and delete are only available for custom collections, meaning that favorites, my bibliography, and other citations cannot be merged or deleted. Also, you are able to check the date last modified by hovering over the text. This concludes the brief tutorial on how to create an automated search, create a collection, and activate a public URL. If there are any remaining questions, please feel free to ask them at this time. And thank you once again for joining us.
Okay, thanks, Sherry. There was one question in the chat box that I didn't answer. Is it not possible to export a collection to EndNote? Is the question that I see here.
You are not able to do it in your personalized, customized collection. However, you are able to do it in either My Bibliography or other citations. There is a link after the questions which will give you a step-by-step on how to export from those collections, meaning My Bibliography or other citations.
Another question is there a way to automatically save collections as PDFs?
Not at this time, but that is actually a really great suggestion that we will pass on.
Okay, thank you. I don't see any other questions in the questions pod. Sherry's showing the last slide here. This is some additional documents that you might find helpful. There's a 2-minute PubMed search tutorials available here, and there is a YouTube video on using My Bibliography and other citations. And just to remind you, to keep up with NCBI, you can check in at our NCBI Insights blog. The URL is given there, ncbiinsights.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. And we do have a YouTube channel. NCBI NLM is the username there, so just look for that on YouTube. And for any questions about help with NCBI resources, please write to info@ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. If you have specific questions about the webinars program, write to webinars. It's webinars@ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. Thanks everyone for coming.